Hello everyone, this is Alina. So happy to show our new products for this month. First are our new product line, the Stitch Die Cut. This set is 2 border dies. The size is about 6-inch length. This set includes stitch dies and outline frame die cut. Let's see they turn out. This is the borders without thread stitching. And these are stitched with red color thread. It turns out much different and so beautiful. Also, we can make them layered. Also, we can combine several borders to get pretty patterns. We used the border dies to cut as background. It turns out really very nice. If we hope, we can use stitch directly on background. I believe it can make beautiful cards. We will try it later. The next is a layered stitch background. It was designed by my Italian designer, Alina. It is also a smart design. It can combine in different ways and turn out stunning. Now, let's see some normal metal die cuts. This is a rectangle frame die with lucky leaves decoration. The size is standard USA card size. This set includes 3 lucky leaves frames and 4 basic frames, so it can cut out both background and frames. They are very adorable for card decoration. This fancy frame die set is with teardrop borders. This is a big size set, but it is okay to go through C6 Big Shot machine. This frame shape is very beautiful, so no need extra decoration. It already turns out awesome. Because it's big size, this frame is very pretty to make album. It should be very beautiful. Okay, this is a square background die. It is also big size, which is 6-inch by 6-inch. Next are several smaller stuffs, but adorable. Lovely fairy with words, choose joy. This is a honey pot with bees. This is a cartoon design and it is lovely and sweet. This set is foldable card frame. With this set, we can easy to make a foldable card, although it can display on table. Okay, next we introduce these clear stamps, metal die cut, and the plastic stencil set. This set including many items, but it is very easy. Stamp the flower, then cut out the flower, then use layered stencil to blend with favorite colors. With all of these, crafters who are not good at painting can make stunning floral cards in easy way. Next are backtop dies. Actually, these dies are not new designs. We produced years ago but stopped then. But recently, some ladies asked us to reproduce. Yes, they are very nice designs for gift packing. Next is design paper time. Every release, we have new design papers, so it's this time. Hope you love them. Last, we introduce silk screen stencils. This is a fun and very useful item for home decoration and for workshops. More and more people use them in DIY crafting, so we also hope to introduce them to more handmade craft lovers. That's all today. Thanks for spending time with me. Please tell me your favorite items in this month, and welcome to tell me if you have any ideas on products. We are always ready to listen to craft lovers.